Database management system. First, we learn some definitions. Attribute. It represents a particular characteristics of a particular entity. For example, student is an entity type. The properties of a student, roll number, name, age, etc. are called attributes. Entity. It represents a record of a particular entity. Entity is an object that exists in a real world. Example, student, employee, etc. In DBMS, we store data in the form of tables. The table contains many rows and each row is called entity. Cell. It represents a value of an entity. In a cell, we can enter a single piece of data. Entity set. It is a collection of multiple entities or rows. Entity set is composed of rows and columns. In this example, student is an entity type and each row represents an entity. Database. It is a collection of tables of a particular subject. For example, company database contains product, employee and financial tables. Database management system. It is a software which helps the user to manage the database in an efficient manner. It provides various commands to perform select, insert, update and delete records and various tables. In DBMS, we can create a view by selecting fields from more than one table. It is basically of three types: relational database management system, hierarchical database management system and network database management system. RDBMS. RDBMS means Relational Database Management System. It is a subset of DBMS. In RDBMS, the data are stored in a structured format using rows and columns. This makes it easy to locate and access specific values within the database. Relational means each values within each table are related to each other and tables are related to other tables. SQL, Structured Query Language. It is a query language which provides various types of queries to perform various tasks. A query is a request for data or information from a database or combination of tables. Three types of SQL queries are DDL, DML and DCL. DDL means Data Definition Language. This language is used to create and alter tables and views. DML, Data Manipulation Language. This type of queries are used to select, insert, update and delete data from various tables. DCL, Data Control Language. This type of queries are used to assign and revoke permission from users for various operations like insert, delete, update and select.